Every day I am gaining weight. I don't know how to reduce. What are your food habits? How much time you allot for exercise? Oh, new, I unable to do exercise. Tell some easy method to lose weight. But tell you one easy method to lose weight. No hard works, no food planning, no need of gym, no need of paleo diets. Follow my tips. Morning 7 take break fast. Morning 10 take some tea or milk. Afternoon before 1 take lunch as you wish. Evening 4 drink tea or coffee. Night 8 take only one small banana, don't eat anything else. Avoiding dinner leads you to lose your weight every day 250 grams. Take a little walking, minimum 1 kilometer to tighten the muscles. Follow this week. Every month you lose at least 5 kilograms. Oh, really? Thank you so much. I love you. Like and subscribe my channel. You will get super tips and complete information. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get alerts.